Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a heavy metal detox smoothie, and this recipe comes from Anthony William, the medical medium, and I make these ever so often. I do have a tooth removal coming up next week, and it does have mercury in it, and so I am preparing this heavy metal detox smoothie because I'll be drinking it for quite a while in case any mercury gets into my system. So what you'll need for this heavy metal detox smoothie is 2 bananas, 2 cups of wild blueberries, the juice of 1 grapefruit and 1 orange, or you can do all oranges or all grapefruit, but that's just what I like to put in mine. You're gonna need barley grass powder, Hawaiian spirulina, and Atlantic dulce, and some cilantro. Now some people don't like cilantro, so if you're one of those people that don't like cilantro, you can also use parsley. Alright, and then you're just going to need a blender. So I've already juiced my juice over here, and then I'll get this started. I always put my bananas in first. This is going to seem like it's a lot, but I drink it first thing in the morning and it takes me in through lunch. So to me, it's not a lot. If it's too much for you, you could have some in the morning and then you could have some more around lunchtime or break it up. So you just need a handful of dulce, and then your 2 cups of wild blueberries, and these need to be wild blueberries, not just plain regular blueberries. And in the description below, I will explain what each one of these ingredients does, and it's part in the whole process of getting these heavy metals out of your system. So you're just gonna need 1 teaspoon of the barley grass powder, and 1 teaspoon of the Hawaiian spirulina, and pour in your juice. Smush it down some, and blend it once we plug it in. Blended up pretty good. I blend mine up super well because I don't like chewing on chunks of dulce or cilantro. Alright, so here's our heavy metal detox smoothie. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this video and found it helpful. Thank you.